Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a new VPN app that can help you get a secure connection while browsing online. This app also enhances your internet connectivity. And the good news is that it's available on the Google Play Store. Before we get started, if you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment if something is unclear. That way, you won't miss any of our future tutorials. Alright, let us begin. First, open the Google Play Store. And in the search bar type RNV VPN. You'll see a list of results. So make sure to select the correct one by checking its name and icon. Tap on it. Then install the app on your device. Once installed, click the Open button to launch it. When the app opens, you'll need to do a few simple settings, so it works properly and secures your connection. 1. Tap on the 4 small boxes at the top. Then select Update. This refreshes the app's resources to give you the best service. 2. From the server box, choose a server that works well in your location. If you're unsure, leave it on auto select so the app picks the best option for you. 3. Tap the network option and in the search bar, type UDP. For this tutorial, we're using Pakistan Zone UDP since it supports UDP connections. If your country doesn't support UDP, simply pick your local network name from the list. 4. If your session runs out, you can extend it by tapping the time extension button. 5. Finally, tap the Start button to initiate a secure connection. As you can see, the VPN connects successfully, giving you a fast and secure internet experience. That's it for today's tutorial on how to use RNV Tunnel VPN. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.